A small coolant leak can quickly turn into an expensive repair if you don't catch it early. But here's the surprising part. Sometimes the hose itself isn't actually the problem. Before you spend money replacing parts, there's one simple check that could save you both time and money. Stay with me because in this video I'll show you exactly what to look for on your Jeep Compass. Before we begin, I have a quick question for you. Do you drive your Jeep Compass regularly or do you only use it occasionally? If you drive it regularly, comment regularly. If you only use it from time to time, comment occasionally. I'd love to know how you use your compass. And if you enjoy practical Jeep maintenance tips like this, don't forget to hit the like button. Now let's get started. First, open the hood of your Jeep Compass and make sure you have a clear view of the cooling system. Before checking anything, there are two important mistakes you should avoid. The first mistake is opening the cooling system while it's still under pressure. If the engine has been running recently, the coolant can become extremely hot and the system may still be pressurized. Opening the cap too soon can release hot coolant and steam unexpectedly. Always allow the engine to cool down completely before inspecting the cooling system. The second mistake is assuming the hose is bad as soon as you notice coolant around the area. Coolant often travels along nearby components, making the leak appear to come from somewhere else. Instead of replacing parts immediately, take a few moments to confirm the exact source of the leak. Once everything is safe to inspect, begin checking the hose connection carefully. If you're using a cooling system pressure tester, apply pressure according to the tool's instructions. As pressure builds, pay close attention to the hose fitting. If you notice coolant beginning to escape around the connection, you've likely found the source of the problem. In many cases, the leak doesn't come from a cracked hose at all. Instead, there's a rubber sealing ring inside the hose connector that keeps coolant from escaping. Over time, that seal can harden, shrink, or wear out because of heat, age, and repeated heating and cooling cycles. When that happens, coolant can leak even though the hose itself still looks perfectly fine. Before replacing the complete hose assembly, inspect the sealing ring if it's serviceable on your model. If the seal is damaged, replacing it may solve the leak at a much lower cost. After replacing the seal or completing the repair, pressurize the cooling system again and check whether it now holds pressure without any coolant escaping. If the leak is gone, you've confirmed the repair was successful. If coolant still leaks after replacing the seal, inspect the connector, hose, and nearby cooling components for cracks or damage. Sometimes multiple issues can exist at the same time, so a careful inspection is always worth doing. Ignoring even a small coolant leak can eventually lead to coolant loss, engine overheating, and expensive repairs. Catching the problem early gives you the best chance of fixing it before it becomes much more serious. If this video helped you and saved you some time, please consider sending a super thanks. Your support helps me create more helpful videos like this for Jeep owners.